Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Ford Escape. Stock number is 18B62A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, this Escape is a hybrid. You have the badging there. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. And we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this hybrid on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.